focused. I'm looking. I don't have any music on. See the bikes coming around the corner, and right here.
Yeah, bikes, huh? Oh, a little too wide. Good job, swerving. Are you gonna rescue that person? Are you gonna rescue?
Immediately pull over.
Good.
I'm kind of freaking out. Oh my God.
Yeah, what do? We don't want to panic, right? Remain calm is part of rescue. R-E-S-Q. R is remain calm. So remain calm. You're doing good. You get that oh shit moment, but now get into action.
I'll call 911 right
Good. That's part of it. Calling 911.
It's 911. We don't know what's happening.
Okay. Call 911. This is at Sturgis? Okay. Ooh.
One of the scariest moments of my life. Right here.
Okay, so lots of people, supposedly this is like Sturgis type area. Somebody's saying that in the chat. Nobody's wearing full gear. Nobody's really doing the smart rider stuff. Not good. And then we're going to go around this corner pretty fast right here. We see a little baby dot. Coming in way too fast. Maybe trying to catch up to all the buddies that went over here. Okay, think about that. Maybe ego's playing a role in this. And we're going to go ahead and low side. We went a little bit too hard. Lost traction on some of the tires. You know, it could have been just the front or the rear or both. More than likely the rear tire lost traction. We started to slip and slide. And we're going to go wide. Now look it. There's a passenger on this. So, if you paused it pretty good, you got a passenger. So the woman's on the back, the male's in the front. There's a decent job of blurring it out. That's a big bike right there. It's a big boy bike. So it's going to be more like what we see here. So take a look. This is probably the level of protection the riders that fell have right there. So same kind of bike, you know, big touring bike, big Harley, big cruiser. If it was an Indy, wouldn't have done that. I'm just kidding. But the gear. This is the crash. And that's the protection they're wearing. A low side. We know that when you do a low side, you're going to have the abrasions and impact, okay? So we dodged them. Did a very good job. They hit the wall. And now what do we have to do? We have to learn to rescue another rider. Okay, so first part of rescue is remain calm. Nathan, go ahead and put it up on the screen when you do the video on demand. Appreciate it. Rescue another rider. Remain calm. So you have to remain calm. And part of that is making sure somebody calls 911 or you call 911. So start talking to dispatch. They're going to help you out. But the main thing here is knowing the system. Rescue another rider so you know the next step. And the next step is ensure your own safety. You really have to ensure your own safety. Okay, so if you get hit by another vehicle, you're a patient. You're a victim to this, okay? So S, stop major bleeds or stop the bleeding. So it really depends on what you can do with your skill level, but I really like it if you could stop the major bleeds. So what you do with that is you're going to do direct pressure. You're going to pack the wound. And if you have to, use a tourniquet. And our rescue kits have 2 tourniquets in them and all the stuff for bleeding control. Then you have Q, quickly assess severity. And it says flip this card over. So what do? We flip the card over. And does the rider have any of these symptoms? Head injury symptoms, spinal cord injury symptoms, shock symptoms. The treatment, there it is. Boom. No. Don't take me off the screen. Take that off. Okay, thank you. Appreciate it. So we're trying to remain calm here.
Immediately pull over. I'm kind of freaking out.
Yeah, it's queen sit.
Oh my God.
So freaking out. Remember what we talked about with freaking out? What we need to do is not freak out. Remain calm, call 911, okay? All right, here we go. Side of the vehicle, easy. Swerve left, go around it. Don't slow down, get in front.
Can you just please make sure you look twice? Like, all right.
All right, very good. Handled it very well. So right here, what I would be doing is you see the side of the vehicle coming out. Okay, they should be going in that lane. Okay, but I'm going to go ahead and slow down anyways. Right here, I'm slowing down. Side of the vehicle, orange stage, going to do it. Now they're in my lane. I definitely have to slow down. Now I'm in this spot. There's no point in slow down. We haven't been slowing down the whole time. So now we're going to slow down? No, we're kind of past that now. We're past the moment we can slow down. We need to actually go. We need to go through that escape path. Because we don't have enough total stopping distance now. So we need to find an escape path, and the best thing we can do is accelerate through it. So how we're slowing down right here, we're right next to vehicles. Just get yourself out of there. All right? He handled it very well. All right, here we go. Going through here, biker EMR. Watch out for sides of the vehicles, intersections. Very good. Oh, we got a left turner or right turner. Thankfully, that vehicle slowed down and stopped. Did we do anything to help mitigate that? Did we do anything at all? Let's see what happened. Let's do a playback. Are we slowing down? Nope. Did nothing. We just want to put our hand up and say, what's up? All right. Did nothing. We did nothing. All right, so we're going to go through here. Same person speeding around. Uncommon thing in a common situation. They're lane filtering. So we're just going to go ahead and put our hand out again. We're not going to put ourselves in safety. So here we go. Merging issue right here. Easily anticipate that because we have that far right lane turning, exit only, and people want to move over. So if you're riding, oh, that was close too. If you're riding on the interstate and you're next to the right lane and there's an exit coming up, just anticipate that somebody is going to turn in. And then also, if it's an on-ramp and they just got on, anticipate they're going to come on. Okay? You got a big open lane here. We're in the blind spot. Not a good spot to be in. So just roll up the throttle so you can let them in, which is what he does. Now, maintain your space cushion. So we're staring at this car because it's like, you know, they're being dumb, right? But what is this car doing? You see what I mean? We're always supposed to be looking 10, 12 seconds ahead, especially at interstate speeds. So when I see this car get in front of me, that car is not my problem anymore. It is for total stopping distance, right? But I'm not going to be able to react to that car in time. So I'm going to go ahead and position myself a little bit better for safety because I'm not going to be able to stop in time. This is not a good enough total stopping distance. I'm in a spot where I can see what's happening up ahead. So now I'm going to react to this car because the car in front of me, this car, still needs to react to this car. I want to be able to react at the same time for that car, but off to the side. Does that make sense? Class, does that make sense? Write it in the comments if that makes sense, please. Okay. There's just so many things you could do to prevent and mitigate possible crashes and close calls. And I just don't see enough of it. To JC DeSica, we're right on this car's butt. Whoa! Kindergarten.
This biker didn't like how the driver was driving so much that he made a decision to influence his behavior a little bit.
You're not going to influence somebody like that. They're dumb as heck. Don't get in front. They're going to do something to you. Just get their license plate and report them. I've reported dangerous drivers before to the cops. Like some really dumb drivers that I thought were unsafe or drunk because of stuff like this. Just call it in. And just say where you're at, give the license plate number. That's why you don't get in front of idiots. You don't get in front of idiots. Just stay behind them. That's exactly why. Alex, probably not.
Info. Weiß ich. Nur mit der Ruhe. Ich wollte Ihnen nur sagen, wo Sie überholt haben, war ein Kindergarten. Nur zu Ihrer Information, dass Sie Bescheid wissen. Erstens darf ich mich vorfahren, zweitens war 30, ja?
Ja, und ich darf überholen und weiter.
Sie dürfen überholen mit einem Unterschied von 20 km/h. Und
Don't get in front of me and go slow. This person is an absolute. This person right. This one right here. This person right here is an idiot. You can't win. You're not going to convince one. Don't try to convince an idiot. I'm going to call him that. That's fine. Because he's not willing to learn. He's not willing to do anything. He's an idiot then. Think about it. Carlin said it best. The average person is pretty dumb, and then you have to realize 50% of the people are below average. Something like that. That's why I said he said it best. So there's some really dumb people. Guys, if you like this kind of stuff, we do this every Tuesday and Thursday on this channel at 3 p.m. Mountain Standard Time live. So make sure you check that out. But if you want to check out some other things like this video right here or this video right here, please do so. It supports the channel. Click that like button, by the way. Check into class. Anyways, I'll be seeing you around.